What is up, people? This is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I'm very much excited today because we are unboxing a very beautiful pair of Converse, and it's been a very long time that I have unboxed a pair of Converse, and this is going to be very exciting. So without wasting any of the time, let's start. So here is the box, and this is not a normal Converse Chuck 70 or normal Converse All-Star. It's a different pair. Let's unbox this and then we'll talk. Let's go. So this is Converse Runstar Trainer OX. So this is a full tan nylon canvas upper sneaker with hints of suede and leather. You get to see suede on the toe and on the back heel of the sneaker. You also get to see a leather patch around the eyelet and on the back heel where you get to see the Converse branding. I just love the colorway on this. The tan upper looks very premium, very good, very subtle at the same time. It can be called as a very neutral pair, but the silhouette of the sneaker is very unique, something very phenomenal, because this is not something you see on a daily basis. It is a slim, sleek sneaker, but not a regular sneaker, definitely. The very subtle hints of pastel yellow on the logo of the Converse and on the back heel gives a very good character to this pair. The very famous extended outsole from Converse Runstar Hike and Converse Runstar Motion is also been added to this pair, and that looks very interesting in my opinion. You get to see really premium suede on the tongue of the sneaker where you have the All-Star branding, and around that you get to see very premium laces as well. I just love how the sneaker looks. The silhouette in general is very beautiful. The midsole, the outsole, the pattern of it is just excellent. Talking about the comfort and sizing on the sneaker fits true to size and it is really comfortable. You do not expect it to be a very comfortable sneaker, but it is decently comfortable. It is really nice. You can wear this sneaker all day long to your college, to your office, and you won't have any problem. Trust me. And I feel they have memory foam insole in it. I just feel that it's not proven or something like that, but when I see it, it feels like that it has a memory foam in it. This can really be a great winter sneaker because this is a perfect winter colorway and you can match a really good outfit with it. Even a simple outfit like a blue denim white t-shirt and this pair will go very well. Do let me know what different kind of color combinations you can match with this colorway of sneaker. Like, this is a very interesting colorway, so I personally liked it. Now talking about the pricing on this pair retails for 6,499 rupees. I got it for 5,849, that is 5,850. A great price for this beautiful Converse. High quality pair, decently comfortable, very unique silhouette and great colorway. All of this in this one sneaker at a great price. So yes, I think it is a great pair at a great price. Do let me know what you guys think about this. And if you have watched this video till here, that means you have liked it and that means you will love this video as well. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.